Hi everyone, this is my new channel in which you can see some innovations which can be very useful and practical, also can be very entertainment. In this video you will see air gun, homemade, which is made out of very simple tools which can be found easily for anyone. So now I will show you the tools. We have a plastic pipe which is used for bathroom and water installation. Then we have a plastic soda bottle out of 0.5 liters. Then we have a rubber pipe which is easily bended and can be found in car engines, for example. Then we have a valve which is also used in bathrooms or some plumbing installations and can be found in any nearby store for with plumbing equipment. Then we have a valve which is torn out of inner car wheel, and that's it. Then we have a clout. I'm not sure how to say it in English. It's spelled C-L-O-U-T. It is used to hold tight some elements. And finally we have a piece of rubber which is round and it has a hole through it. So these are all the parts. From tools which we are going to use to assemble this gun, we have a screw and a knife. That's all for the beginning. So now we are going to assemble the gun. First we are going to stick a hole through a plastic bottle with a knife. So this is going to... We have to make it to be round. And appropriate size. Just a little bit more. So now we are going to assemble the gun. What I did is I made a hole through a plastic bottle and I put in this inner car wheel valve, and it stands just like this. That is the first part, and this is one way. The other way, which may be better, is to use a truck wheel valve, and it holds pressure much better. So now we have this bottle with a valve. We are going to screw another valve from the top of the bottle, just like this. That is the other part. Now we are going to take this rubber pipe and put it right here. On the other side it comes a plastic pipe, and now we are only going to screw these clothes. And that's it for now. Now we are going to use this tape, duct tape, to put it together and to make some shape which looks like gun. You can do this a little bit better with more attention. So this is some kind of final look, and in the next part I will show you how it is used and how to make a bullet for it. Now I'm going to show you how to make a bullet for this air gun. It is very simple. You take a piece of paper A4 format and split it in half like this. Then you have to take a piece of duct tape and put this side which sticks upside on this corner. Then we are going to screw it just like a cornet for ice cream or for sweet corns. We have to make it tight, and this is the final look. And the duct tape comes just in place to finish the screwing. So this is it. Now we are going to put it in the pipe, take a scissors and cut it right here. We have to make a little adjustment. And put it backwards inside the pipe. The next station will be shown in the next part of the video. So this is the cornet bullet, which I made it a little bit before. It can be improved with a nail in front or a needle, and that will be shown in some of my next videos. I will put it in the pipe, then use a compressor or a pump to pump the air. This plastic bottle can hold up to 10 atmospheres, so it is very useful. This was quick, and now I will show you the result. Very good, isn't it?